Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all we can do here is to simply find the language we would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick for example maybe I don't know, maybe Turkish. Let's tap on it simply. And as you can see, we will immediately get back to the previous page with the language set. So from now on, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case, Turkish. So let me do it again, because I'm not really good at this language. So let me pick English. As you can see, just tap on it and it will be immediately set. So actually, this is it. This is how to change system language in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.